DS3 Tricoscope Interface Operation Explanation Video. Real-time preview. No need to create views. Photos are not saved. A simple view can quickly detect the base health status of the scalp for new or existing customers. You can choose props with different magnifications for detection based on actual scalp issues. Key shooting points. After assembling the props with corresponding multiples, open your hair and expose the location of the scalp to be tested. Select the silver part to adjust the focal length and adjust it according to the requirements of different magnification focal lengths until the picture is clear. Then you can start shooting. Pay attention to the adjustment of focal length. Follow the instruction on the front position of the instrument. Adjust the 10x focal length to the leftmost critical point, 50x and 100x from left to right. Adjust the magnification according to the requirements to a clear state for shooting. Adjust the 200x focal length to the rightmost critical point. Follow the instruction on the front position of the instrument. Adjust the 10x focal length to the leftmost critical point. If the image is clear without exposure, lightly touch the photo button. After shooting, place the 10x props back on the base and replace it with 50x prop. Switch to 50x on the software interface for shooting. From left to right, adjust to clear state according to the magnification requirement, and then lightly touch the photo button. 15x, 100x, and 200x are tri-spectrum images, and the photography between each spectrum needs to be done by pressing the photograph button. Replace the 100x prop and switch the software interface to 100x for shooting. Adjust the magnification from left to right until the image is clear, then lightly touch the photo button. Due to the different position of the scalp being photographed, the brightness of images in different parts may vary. You can select the brightness bar on the software interface to adjust brightness. When the image shooting is unclear or not standardized, you can select the corresponding images and click to retake it. Replace the 200x prop and switch the software interface to the 200x for shooting. Adjust the 200x focal length to the rightmost critical point. If the image is clear, lightly to touch the photo button. After shooting, you can click the comparison button to enter the case library to analyze scalp problems. Health detection. New members in established previews. Enter the member's name, gender, age, phone number, and click Save. Enter the photo-taking interface and select the photo-taking mode according to your needs. Hair loss. Detect the number of hair follicles, hair quantity, and thickness in the hair loss area using 10x divided into dual modes. Single image mode. Simply select any side of the hair loss area for shooting. After assembling the 10x prop, lift the hair of the area to be detected and select the silver part to adjust the focus to the left critical point. Touch the photo button to take a photo. The multi-image mode operation is the same as above, but requires shooting for hair loss areas. Hair loss areas at the top, front, sides, and back. After the shooting is completed, click Submit and AI Algorithm Intelligent Analysis will beam. After the analysis is completed, it will automatically jump to the report interface. If the shooting mode is selected as single image mode, you can click on the missing parts to make up for the shooting. Hair original image. Double-click or screw the mouse wheel to view the enlarged high-definition image. There is a toolbar on the right side, which can be selected for fixed point image analysis. Hair analysis. Grade of hair loss in the top, front, side, back area. Normal, initial, median, final. The green identification box. Diameter marker needs to be clear to display, and the details totally value is displayed in the hair diameter on the right side. The pink identity box, indicating the number of empty hair follicles, displays the result value in the number of hair follicles on the right side. The red identification box, marked with number of individual hair follicles. The yellow identification box, marked with number of double hair follicles. The light green identification box, marked with number of 3 hair follicles. The blue identification box, marked with the number of 4 hair follicles. The right side displays the number of hair diameter, number of hair follicles, as well as testing opinions and recommended product treatments. Comprehensive report. Client basic information. Original image of 4 different parts at 10x. Analysis results and opinions. The inspection opinions can be modified by clicking. After modifying and saving the testing opinions in hair analysis, the comprehensive report will be automatically synchronized. It supports one-click printing of the comprehensive report or saving it as PDF format report, which can be transferred to the computer. You can also scan the QR code on your phone to view the report Comparative analysis. Hair loss care by comparing image is used to compare hair loss before and after the hair loss treatment course. You can choose a time and use the toolbar to compare at a fixed point. Brush, line, arrow, rectangle, circle. By comparing quantitative data for hair loss care, the quantitative value of hair and hair follicles can be compared. A positive number is a green upward arrow, indicating an increase in hair quantity after care. You can choose a time to compare before and after. Scalp detection. Use different props to check for damage to the scalp and hair follicles. The shooting method is the same as hair loss care, but it needs to be changed to the corresponding magnification prop. 50x. Check the condition of the straightened cornea through RGB white light. PL negative polarization to check scalp sensitivity. UV light to check porphyrin content. (100x) Viewing scalp skin texture through RGB white light. PL negative polarization viewing inflammatory scalp. UV light viewing traumatic scalp. (200x) View hair follicle condition through RGB white light. PL negative polarization to check scalp red blood streaks. If the image is blurry, you can click to retake it. After the shooting is completed, click Submit. AI algorithm intelligent analysis is on the way. After analysis is completed, it will automatically jump to the report interface. If only one magnification was taken, you can click on the camera logo at other magnification position to make up for it. Original scalp image, double-click or double-finger stretch to zoom in and view high-definition image. There is a toolbar on the right column, which allows you to select and perform fixed-point image analysis. Scalp analysis. For scalp care, from surface spectrum to deep spectrum, analyzed from 9 indicators using 3 different magnification lens, 15x, 100x, 200x, based on the latest artificial intelligence algorithm model. Medical-grade quantitative indicators are digitized using deep learning algorithm and AI algorithm to quantify the severity of scalp surface and deep oil, sensitive, and porphyrin, and obtain quantitative analysis results. Grease. The yellow area represents the quantitative area of sebum secretion. The darker the yellow color, the more oil secretion, and the lighter the color, the less oil secretion. The proportion area of oil in the upper left corner. Check the box in the upper right corner to cancel and display the original image without the yellow algorithm quantization area. 1 and 2 represent low sebum secretion, 3 represents normal sebum secretion, 4 and 5 represent high sebum secretion. Sensitivity. Using polarized spectroscopy, observe the location of skin redness caused by damage to subepidermal microvasculature, such as scalp redness and capillary dilation, porphyrin, observing sebaceous gland oil secretion, and bacterial proliferation through UV light. Each indicator has testing opinions, precautions, and recommended product treatment courses. The copy can be modified or adjusted by double-clicking. In the backend settings of the homepage, products and care items divided into hair loss care and scalp detection can be entered. By comparing case libraries, problems such as scalp straightened cornea, scalp skin texture, sensitivity, and hair follicles can be located and displayed in a more intuitive way through images. 50x RGB straightened cornea. It is the barrier function of the scalp, which can resist the invasion of harmful substance from the outside world. Analyze the degree of damage to the straightened cornea of the scalp by comparing case libraries. 50x PL. Sensitivity. Use cross-polarized light to observe the redness of the skin caused by microvascular damage beneath the epidermis. For example, redness on the scalp and the telangiectasis. Analyze the sensitive types of the scalp by comparing case libraries. 50x UV porphyrins. Observe the oil secretion of sebaceous glands and the proliferation of the bacterial communities through UV light. Analyze the severity of oil porphyrin by comparing case libraries. 100x RGB scalp skin type. View scalp skin type through RGB white light. Analyze the types of the scalp skin type by comparing case libraries. 100x PL inflammatory scalp. By using cross-polarized light, observe scalp inflammation, acne, and red spot caused by imbalanced microbiota and excessive fungal growth in the scalp. Analyze the types of scalp inflammation by comparing case libraries. 100x UV traumatic scalp. Analyze the type of scalp injury by comparing case libraries. 200x RGB hair follicle. Detect the condition and hair quality of a single hair follicle opening, targeting the core issues of the scalp. Analyze the types of hair follicles by comparing case libraries. 200x PL telangiectasis. Analyze the type of scalp sensitivity by comparing case libraries. Comprehensive report, customer's basic information, three-spectrum scalp original image at different magnifications, inspection opinions, precautions. It supports one-click printing of the comprehensive report or saving it as PDF format report, which can be transferred to the computer. You can also scan the QR code on your phone to view the report. Comparative analysis, scalp detection. By comparing the image before and after scalp care, as well as after treatment, you can select a time to view the change in the image after care. Customer profile. Registered customer can search for membership information by phone and name. Registered customer will undergo subsequent testing from their customer profile. Select the customer and click on the left status bars to view hair loss care and scalp detection records. You can also directly click the test button to enter the testing. Background settings, product management. There is a product search bar in the upper left corner where you can enter the product name for product search. Click on Add Product in the upper right corner. Enter product information according to the prompts box. Enter product name or fill-in treatment. Product price. Upload product image. Select mood, hair loss care or scalp detection. Type of efficacy, level, hair loss care, normal, initial, median, final, status, click enable, enter product introduction or note information, click save to complete. Case library, personalized case image upload. In addition to the case image provided by the app, user can upload different case image for comparison according to their own needs. Find the classic customer case image, right click, and successfully copy the image, paste it onto the desktop or save it to the folder. Go back to the DS3 Tricoscope app and the case library set in the background. Find the spectrum multiple corresponding to the case. Click the plus sign to enter the case name of the image and click the plus sign to upload the image. The case import was successful. Account settings. Currently loading as the main account. The main account can add sub-accounts. The main account can view the data of sub-accounts and the information set by the main account can be shared with sub-accounts. There is no account setting button for sub-accounts. How to add a sub-account? Click on Add. Fill in prompts box according to the content in sequence. Institution name, responsible person. Login account. The sub-account login account can be set in less and numbers or pure numbers. Login password. Status. Select enable. Remarks. Click to save immediately. The following are the sub-accounts that have been set up. Change password. You can change the account password by following the prompts in sequence.